Crypto Costa back, and this video is gonna be Kanga exchange review because this is the next Tencent gem. They're releasing their own token, the exchange token, which is KNG, and its public sale is gonna be on 27th this month, which is September, right? So as we all know, Tencent gem launch platform is working very well. They've already launched Meta Hero, which gave huge returns, and the next gem is there's some snake. Yo, there's some snake in it. What's this? I gotta show you this. Alright, back to crypto. So look, so another Tencent gem is KNG token, Kanga exchange. So even though they had some little problems on the IEO, those projects are still great projects, alright? These little problems, in my personal opinion, are frustrating, but they can appear and they learn a lesson for those projects, alright? So as I said, they are having its public sale on 27th, and this video is gonna prepare you for that, and also is gonna help you potential of this project, of this Kanga exchange, already existing project for 3 years. So I'm gonna review every single info that is out there that can help on investment decision, alright? Before we start, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. Always do your own research. There's nothing sure in crypto. This is all about mass adoption. So look, when it comes to their product, basically they are exchange, but it's not that simple because they have so many features. So one of their features is POS, which is proof of stake. So we can basically send them into staking on the Kanga exchange, and then you're gonna get rewards from fees that are taken on every transaction on this exchange. They have over 250 physical exchange points. Most of them are in Poland, because this is a Polish project, but they wanna expand, especially on the Eastern European countries. So in my opinion, this is the best feature out there. Thanks to this feature, Kanga can compete with tier 1 exchanges, alright? Because look, this feature helps accelerate mass crypto adoption. This really helps for people non-crypto to just come into one of those with fiat currency and exchange for cryptos in very simple way, without KYC and without all that difficult stuff. Because most of people don't want to deal with all those things that you gotta learn to buy cryptos and hold them into your private wallet, alright? So look, you can swap and you can get your passive income, which is POS, which is staking, right? So also they have IEO, which is initial exchange offerings. So they are helping to accelerate new crypto projects with huge potential, and they're listing those projects on their exchange, and every single investor can come in, and this gives another opportunity to take part in IEOs in new potential very promising crypto projects. So this stablecoin is approved by KNF, which is quite safety, because KNF is like Polish SEC. So here's the map of all physical exchange points, and now as you can see, already in a couple countries, they want to expand on Eastern European countries as well. And this is something that Meta Hero also is gonna help them. Because Meta Hero, as I said in my previous videos, is all about mass adoption. So look, KNG will be available to purchase from 27th September, 12 AM Central European Time on Kanga exchange. So they will release public sale of their token on 27th, and you're gonna be able to purchase it in here, right? And I personally think price will really quickly increase of this token, because Kanga is partnered with Meta Hero and with Tencent. They're expert when it comes to marketing, and very likely if they are going to help with marketing for Kanga exchange, alright? So if you're willing to take part in the sale 27, first thing you have to do is register on Kanga exchange, and second thing, you gotta wait until 27 for this sale, for this public sale, and exactly on the day you can purchase. So if you're willing to register right now, you can use my link down below. This is the quickest way, and that way you're gonna make sure that this is legit site, that this is not fake. So use my link down below. It's also gonna be pinned in comments. Register and just wait until 27th. So as I said, there's nothing sure in crypto, but if there is a project backed with 3 years experience and partner with Meta Hero and with Tencent, that makes huge possibility to very nice grow in the period of couple months and years, alright? When it comes to mass adoption, this may be going really high, and what's more, they're having those features that even help them to accelerate in upcoming months, alright? So when it comes to their socials, they have 25,000 followers on Twitter currently. So another thing is that Kanga is gonna list Tencent token, and Tencent token is gonna be available on 1st October. They are also partnered with Minted Labs, a global Korea supporter who analyzes and provides information on various blockchain projects. So this may help to find new IEO projects. So they're also partnered with OIG, and there's so many other partnerships. They've also partnered with Synapse Network, which is also a very nice Polish project. And as you can see, this is only from 21st September. So they have so many partners. We can see that they're working so hard. They've been already on the market for 3 years, right? So look, they've also already launched so many projects on the IEO section. So they've already launched so many projects, and they've started this in 2020 before the market popped. So this is a very nice feature because everyone's going to be able to exchange fiat currency for cryptos in seconds, and then they can put it into staking. They also can use those IEOs to come into new crypto project. So this is truly beautiful, and it will exactly help mass adoption in crypto space, right? Because every single of these projects, potentially very good project, because they of course want to check if everything works alright, if this has potential or no. They're not willing to help in acceleration any worse project, right? I personally think that Kanga exchange has huge potential for upcoming years and months. It can easily become one of the biggest exchanges in the world. Honestly, when it comes to Kanga exchange, I already used it a little bit, tried these features, and what I've noticed is that it's very simple comparing to Binance, which is of course way more complicated. This is very simple, and everything is clear. You can just make some quick swap, but you also can do some other things. But you also of course can this market with limit orders and more advanced things like this, alright? So also yesterday there was a MetaHero podcast with Kanga Exchange, which of course makes these projects more unique because this is the first episode of this podcast, and the first guest is Kanga Exchange, right? So this shows how big connection they want to make between MetaHero, Tencent, and Kanga, alright? So here is a part and explanation, CEO and CTO of Kanga Exchange from this podcast about a couple features and about things that are new when it comes to crypto space. So here's some clips.
Points in Ukraine, and we want to expand and collect new points in Ukraine. And generally speaking, we want focus on post-Soviet and post-Yugoslavian countries to open new OTC points, because we see that there is very big potential.
Nobody's tapped into that market, right?
Yes,
it seems unattractive to most like Western companies, but if you put them all together, it's huge. And Ukraine is making quite big strides towards crypto adoption.
You need to know that in Kanga we believe that the freedom is one of the most important value in our life, you know. So because of that, we try avoid KYC as long as we can. So you can exchange cash into crypto and crypto into cash without KYC, because it's legal.
Yeah.
But it's very important. It's legal in Poland, in Eastern Europe. You can exchange on our platform crypto to another crypto without KYC. Why? Because it's still legal.
Yeah, without any limits or major limits.
So we want to start with Albania and Ukraine. This is the first aim, and then we want to go to Serbia, and this is all about OTC points. But if we talk about the Kanga exchange, I mean internet platform, there is no limit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we are focusing right now on collecting the community and find it out where will be the easiest, where is the hugest demand. We were surprised about some countries, Spain, for example, or in Japan, of course, there is a huge community. In Japan, it's a little harder because the regulations are much stronger.
Yeah, because yesterday one of the crypto exchange was closed, forbidden. Yes.
Yeah, so we don't want to enter too strongly because it's not so good, but for sure we are very flexible. We are every day we are looking where is what you say, the apple, the lowest,
the lowest hanging fruit.
Yeah, exactly. And it could be that today we think that the next country will be France, for example, but tomorrow someone will call us and say, hey, I can help you to enter Sweden.
And you're talking about physical exchange points. So
physical,
I think
or even the internet platform, because sometimes we have to follow the rules. And then he said, I can help you. I can manage this. I know the law. I can be your guy in Sweden. And we moved to Sweden. This is very simple rule.
But still, I think our model is unique. If we talk about bonus.
Yeah.
Yes.
And about what we do with the KNG, because the KNG is not sharing your profits. It's not like that. It's because when you talk about profits, it means that first there is a company,
Yeah.
then there is the board of
Expenses,
directors,
yeah.
the cars, the planes,
Taxes.
taxes and so on, and then something maybe is
Maybe left over.
and then okay, take it. No, we said you can be part or receive a part of our income. What we have, not the
Exchange
profits.
revenue.
Yeah, the income. This is completely different model. Yeah?
And this no exchange does in the world, correct?
As far as I know, there is no other.
So for those of you that are listening, what this means is, say, in one day, the Kanga does $1 billion in transactions. Percentage of that will get directed to the KNG token.
Yeah, you can imagine that every moment when there is any fee taken by Kanga, by system,
Yeah.
then it goes to the special wallet and it's staying there. And there is the special automat which is looking, is there anything to exchange? When there is some Bitcoin, some Ether or MetaHero or any other coin, it takes this and convert it on the market to the KNG.
You see the little purchases
Yeah,
coming in
small,
all the time.
every second, every
Yeah,
minute,
yeah.
all the time. And then we've got this second wallet where all these KNG are stored. And on the end of the day, we distribute this KNG among all hodlers of KNG. So the people
All
who
stakers, right?
or stakers, yeah.
Because
The second difference, which with the BNB, is that, for example, the BNB, because there are many
Exchange tokens.
yeah.
but we've got a limited supply.
Right. It's not
21 millions.
inflationary.
And
That's all.
done. We cannot produce the new ones.
Yeah.
So the price got a huge force to rise up.
Yeah.
We are buying KNG all the time. The people
Alright, so those were clips from yesterday's podcast on MetaHero channel. So as I said before, the KNG token is gonna be released in one day. So if you're willing to take part, make sure to register. The link is down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in another one.